Hey guys, in today's video we are going to test these new mods. We know this mod, so American. Oh, okay. I'm not going to spawn this in because it's gonna lag the fort out of my freaking. Oh, yo, I like. Oh, no way! They have Turkish Airlines. Sonunda bir şey Türkçe yaptılar. Evet. Okay, that's W. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, that's fine. I rate that mod to a 5 out of 10. Now, let me see this. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. I think the night one is the coolest. I'm taking a test ride. Let's go. Okay, so you can basically say it's a normal chopper or like a helicopter with like normal stuff, I guess. Yeah. Also, we're going to crash into the bridge until it's dead. So we are going to crash into like that. Oh yes, perfect. Now the next mod we are going to choose is the oh no, I was wrong. We've got we forgot about the other ones. Oh la la, the night one. Oh, fort. Uh-oh, stinky. Go, fly. I can tell you this, he is a fat boy. What happened? What happened? Huh? What happened? Okay, who cares? Next what? Desert. Okay, let's attack the bridge, I guess. Oh, hell yeah! This shit's so American. But even though I'm not American, why do America have so big trucks? Like, what is the point of them? Fort, no. Crash into the bridge. Yes, no. Alright, but now we are going to try this one. No, I'm wrong. Wait, didn't we skip this one? Oh no, we didn't. Oh, it's the different version with the missiles instead. No way, guys. Let's crash in. Let's take down this bridge. Okay, nice. Let's try. Oh, whoa there, bud. You have a problem with me, mate? I'll get a bottle of water for you, mate. Don't worry, mate. I got you all for it. Oh, yeah, wow. Imagine. Oh, damn, the bridge all fort. Damn, bro, the bridge already almost dead. And that crashed my helicopter until it's dead. Alright, the next one is... I don't know what this is. Oh my gosh. No way. Wait, isn't that classic one? I'm gonna take the metal one. No way. Bro. Oh, this is so cool. Helicopter dance. Don't. Okay, but. Okay, now. There's no shoot button. There ain't no shoot button made for the no fort. Oh no. What a rough landing to only crash. Mate, what the fort? Yes, crash into the bridge, yes, at least we crashed into it. Alright, okay. Now, yes, time for this one. What are you? Wait, how do I... Are you dead? Hello? Medium. Oh, you need bombs to kill him? Something. What you gonna do to that wood? What you gonna do with it? Huh? What you gonna do with it? Bro, that's what the fuck? Are you... Okay, so anyway, it is rapid. He's rapidly growing in size. What do I do? What's like? What? Take that off. Why are you so big? Nah, bro. I can't allow that. Damn, bro, heavy too. Okay, sounds like something bad is gonna happen now. What if this one? Okay, I'm going to redo the map. Why did I even do that? Oh my gosh, wait, I'll be back soon. Okay, well, that certainly took a while to redo. Okay, now. Yeah. No. Oh, what's. Oh. Bro, this is plastics. This is from Timu. The fuck? What the fuck is that? Damn! Okay, let me see this. Let me see that. Do a flip for me. Okay, do a better one. Wow. Boom. You damage yourself. Get out. Make it out. Damn, he failed. I don't like him. What's this? Tank? For me? Really? I don't know why, but there's thrusters on every single vehicle I use. I don't know why. Okay, that's cool. T6. Okay, I have to. Is there a plane? I need a plane. Okay, fine. Let me try it. Okay, pretty good. Attack of the bridge has come. There we go. Okay, that is roughly anything. Oh, bro. Okay, that's fine. Ooh, what's this? Abram. Oh, let me test it out. There. No, how about? What if I just shoot the road? Nothing happened. This is bad. Well, this is very bad. Well, this is very bad at crashing itself and me. Let me see this one. Okay, that's the same thing, I guess. Okay, that's just a car. This is also a car, but not a car. I don't have to say it, but yeah. It's car at the same time, not car. What the fuck? Now the final vehicle is this one. Okay, well, I guess it's. What is this? Oh, hell no. AI enemy? What? Bro, it's not gonna. It's gonna fly. See? It's just existing. Okay, let me just take the fire out. Well, this isn't good. Fort. How about wait, can Rain get rid of it? Nope. Of course. Okay, well, I guess this is just it. Let's see this Swedish police helicopter. Let's see this one. Bro, this is the worst of the worst, I swear. Whoever did this is not that good. I can tell you that. He is not good with this stuff. And it just disables the engine automatically. And the engine is and their propellers unbreakable. Okay, it is unbreakable. That's bad. Very bad. I don't think I have anything cool, so I'm just gonna cut it all down like that. No. Uh-oh, stinky. I hope it doesn't fall on me or something like that, because that would be very bad. I bet. What? How? Okay. I don't think it can even. Yeah, I can't reach there. There's the can of beans not even reach there. Yeah, let's just take. Okay, I'll cut it here so you can see when the bridge is collapsing. Alright, good. Oh, this is enough for it. Now let's see what will happen. Oh, fort. I think this is good enough. Now, do I have no? Yes, I do have slow motion, but it's manual. You guys ready? Look. Oh, so satisfying. Damn. Oh yeah, I forgot about those. Oh, damn. Wait, it's time for the slimes to eat up. Go on, slime, eat it all up. Okay, I'm kinda cringe, bro. I'm so fucking cringe. Why'd I even do that? Be faster, you are too fat, man. You are fat. Go eat bridge now. Eat up. For God's sake. Oh my god. I will implode you. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Somebody's drilling in my house. Great. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. If you have any comment, if you want to say something to me, comment it down below and I might answer it. Should I do a Q&A video when I hit 100 subscribers or something? I don't know. Alright, thank you guys. Bye bye. More.